When I was a child, my family and I would go to Denmark almost every single year for vacation because my grandfather was Danish. So one day, I was at a playground outside a castle when suddenly these two children approached me. They were speaking so strangely and I didn't understand a single word they were saying. I felt so confused. Nothing they said made sense and it just sounded like a bunch of weird throat noises. I kept saying, "I don't understand you," and they just stared back at me. Eventually, they pointed to the slide and I went along with them, and I ended up playing with them the entire day. When my grandfather approached me later, I yelled, "Grandpa, I met these two children that were speaking nonsense." He laughed so hard that he turned red and explained that they were speaking Danish to me and that it's okay to not understand what someone is saying. He asked if I had had fun, and I replied back that indeed, I still had a great time. Playing and hanging out often goes beyond language barriers, so don't be afraid to talk to new people, even if you might not understand them.